If a man is genuinely in love with you, he will be respectful to you, faithful, and like gentle when it comes to you.
Hi to all our viewers around the world. I'm Rhoda, and joining me today for the show is the gorgeous Rhoda. And we're here to chat and get to know her story. Hi, Miss Rhoda.
Hi, Miss Rhoda.
How are you feeling today?
I'm nervous, but I think I can handle it.
Yeah, I know you can handle it. And the guys are excited to get to know you.
Oh.
So, Miss Rhoda, please introduce yourself to the viewers.
Hi, my name is Rhoda, 28 years of age, and currently living here in Cebu. And my ID number is 220445.
All right. Miss Rhoda, can you share with us why did you join a foreign affair?
Well, actually, I joined Foreign Affair because I think they have the different approach. Because I've tried joining dating apps before, but I think it's not that safe. And I think AFA have this process where you can really trust. I mean, they have a process for the girls, and I'm sure that they also have a process for the guys. We feel the girls, the ladies, safer in that way. So, yeah.
Yes, that's true. This company is a legit company.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Miss Rhoda, why do you prefer foreign men?
Well, I've tried dating Filipino guys before, and I also tried dating foreign men. And I think I really like about foreign men because they are matured in the way that in handling relationship. And I don't want to be in a relationship where I will be the one to lead the relationship. I want a man who can lead the relationship. And for the foreign men, they are committed. Once they're committed to a relationship, they will really commit. I can say that when I try dating foreign men, I think I'm not into Filipino men anymore because I like foreign men, how they handle and like how committed they are when they're in a relationship.
Miss Rhoda, what are the qualities that you are looking for in a man?
Well, actually, the qualities, I think I'm just looking for one quality. I'm just looking for a man who is genuinely love you, because I believe that if a man is genuinely in love with you, he will be respectful to you, faithful, and like gentle when it comes to you. So I think all you need is a genuine man that will love you, because it will come naturally.
Miss Rhoda, does a man's age matter to you?
Yeah, I think for me, age really matters because one of my love language is quality time. So I want to spend my life with the person I love. And if the age gap is really big, I think we cannot do that anymore. I want to go somewhere like spend time together, camping, fishing, or like any activities that we will have a quality time. So if my future husband, if our age gap is very huge, very big age gap, I think we cannot do that anymore. So I think for me, age really matters.
Okay. So do you have age preferences?
Yeah, I have. Like, I think since I'm 28, I think late 50s. Yeah.
Okay. Does physical appearance important to you?
Well, I think physical appearance really is the number one thing that you will notice in a man or anybody. But I think you cannot really tell if the guy or someone is have a nice personality. So I think superficial is the number one thing that you will notice. But I think for me, you can catch my attention through your visual appearance. But what makes me stay in a relationship is your personality, really.
Yeah, that's so nice. Yes. What can you offer in a relationship as a girlfriend and as a future wife?
Okay, as a partner, I will be your number one supporter. I will give you all my time, and I will be there for you no matter what happens, through bad times and happy times together. And I will give my loyalty and faithfulness to you.
Okay. For you, Miss Rhoda, what do you think is the role of a husband?
Well, since I am raised here in the Philippines, I think husband here is the provider, of course. But if you want me to work, I can also be a working wife. So it just depends.
How about the role of a wife?
as a wife, you will be the one to take care of your family, your husband and your kids if you have kids. And you will be a role model to your family and supporter to your husband no matter what happened. So yeah.
Okay.
To my future husband, if you're watching this video, if you want to know me more, come and visit here in the Philippines and let's see if we can connect. We will find our connection and let's make our love story begin.
Join men from all over the world as they take a trip and find their future brides. Interested? Check out our website at
Filipino-bride.com.